happens when you put human cognition and artificial intelligence in the ring for 30 days straight. That's exactly what I set out to discover. For an entire month, I immersed myself in the world of cognitive science, studying how we think, learn, and understand, and then compared those insights with how artificial intelligence processes information. The results? Surprising, enlightening, and honestly, a little unsettling. Because it turns out, intelligence isn't just about solving problems. It's about being aware that you're solving them. Cognitive science is the study of the mind, how we think, make decisions, learn from mistakes, and even daydream. It pulls from psychology, neuroscience, philosophy, and linguistics to answer one question: what does it mean to be intelligent? AI, on the other hand, doesn't wonder. It calculates. It predicts, it optimizes. It doesn't forget, doesn't get tired, and never questions why it's doing what it's doing. In these 30 days, I saw a pattern. While AI excels at external tasks, sorting data, recognizing images, writing code, cognitive science reminds us that real intelligence includes context, emotion, and self-awareness. This isn't just a comparison of tools. It's a battle between output without meaning and meaning that struggles to keep up with output. So who wins? The machine that processes faster or the mind that wonders why it should? For 30 days, I split my thinking. Whenever I faced a problem, whether it was planning my week, writing creatively, or making decisions, I tried two things. First, I'd ask AI. It gave me quick, polished answers. Then I'd apply principles from cognitive science, like chunking, metacognition, and analogical thinking. Here's what I found. AI helped me get things done, but it often lacked depth. It gave solutions, but rarely asked if I was solving the right problem. Cognitive science, in contrast, slowed me down. It forced me to reflect, restructure my thoughts, and sometimes even realize this isn't the real issue. AI made me efficient. Cognitive science made me aware. One felt like outsourcing my mind. The other felt like owning it. I noticed that combining both worked best. Use AI to gather options. Use CogSci to question them. Let AI suggest. Let your mind decide. That was the hidden gem of this experiment. Not competition, but integration. Something unexpected happened by week 3. I started trusting AI a little too much. I stopped asking why something worked. I stopped thinking deeply because AI made it too easy not to. That's when it hit me. Convenience can quietly replace consciousness. Every time we let algorithms guide our choices, what to read, watch, think, we risk trading our mental autonomy for effortless output. Cognitive science warns us about this. When you stop engaging in metacognition, you stop being aware of your own awareness. And that's dangerous, because without reflection, we don't grow, we just react. AI can simulate intelligence, but it can't simulate wisdom. Only a mind that questions, reflects, and chooses freely can do that. So I realized, if we're not careful, AI won't just assist our thinking, it will replace it, unless we resist that temptation. After 30 days, here's the truth. AI and cognitive science aren't enemies. They're mirrors. AI showed me how fast and efficient thinking can be. Cognitive science reminded me why we think in the first place. AI is incredible at patterns, predictions, performance, but it lacks purpose. Cognitive science is slower, but it gives meaning, depth, direction. So what did I really learn? That real intelligence isn't about answers, it's about the quality of questions. That growth requires discomfort. That insight requires human experience. And most of all, if you want to think better, don't outsource your brain. Use AI, but never let it use you. That's how you stay truly intelligent in a world racing toward automation. So, what if the next great leap in intelligence isn't just about AI, but about how you choose to think? If this video sparked your curiosity, there's more coming. Subscribe now and join the journey. Drop a comment. Do you trust AI to guide your thinking? Or do you believe the human mind still has the edge? And if you want to reclaim your mental edge in a world of machine learning, stay with us. Because here at Mr. Brain Shift, we explore how to think, not just what to think.